Hey guys, so this is a special video. Why? Because we've got a special person. He is our father. He is our motivation. And he's the reason why actually we are here right now. So yeah.
और इस वीडियो के लिए बड़ा एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है बाय बिकॉज इसके लिए काफी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन हमने इकट्ठे करके रखे हैं जो आप सबने पूछे एंड वी वांट टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन बट उससे पहले आप सबने क्या बोला था दैट यू प्रेफर सूट्स तो अब पहनते हैं सूट्स
बट ये वीडियो तो एडिटेड नहीं होगी ना, तो वी हैव टू.
ये एड नहीं है
नहीं.
अबे यार एक सेकंड ओके तो वीडियो तो बस स्टार्ट हो गया तो गाइस तो जैसे मुझे याद नहीं रहा ये एकदम रॉ और रियल वीडियो वाली तो इसमें एडिटिंग कुछ भी नहीं होने वाली है सो वी आर इन सूट्स और आज क्या करने वाले हैं सबसे पहला यू नो मी ऑलरेडी यू नो आदित्य ऑलरेडी let me introduce our mentor to you the person जिससे हम stock markets में आए हैं he's our father and he is a CA chartered accountant and stock markets में he's got experience of 35 years and he was the person who actually motivated us college मत जाओ stock markets में आओ
तो जब भी इनफैक्ट मी एंड हर्ष वर रियली डाउन, वी वर रियली फीलिंग वी वर ड्रेडफुल कि यार की गलती हो गई स्टॉक एज इन की कॉलेज जाना चाहिए था, नॉर्मल लाइफ चाहिए थी. तो ही वॉज ओनली पर्सन हु मोटिवेटेड अस कि नहीं वी आर ऑन द राइट पाथ एंड वी शुड stick to it. So yeah, that also.
So basically he was our unfair advantage. तो आज हम क्वेश्चन क्या पूछेंगे मैं आपको पहले बता रहा हूँ so that you can decide whether you want to watch this video or not. ठीक है सबसे पहली चीज ये वीडियो एकदम रॉ होगी तो इसमें एडिटिंग वगैरह एक्सपेक्ट मत करना. फिर उसके पहले what I'm going to ask कि dad I'm going to ask you that how did you enter stock market? Second, why did you motivate us to be in stock market? आपने हमें stock market में क्यों पुश किया? Third, बहुत लोग हैं यहाँ पे जिनके पेरेंट्स नहीं मानते stock markets. What would you advise their parents or them? ठीक है and question I think you also had collected.
हाँ, तो मेरे दो मेन क्वेश्चन है कि फर्स्ट थिंग द मिस्टेक्स एंड उससे आपको ये पता चलेगा कि मिस्टेक्स फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन पर्सपेक्टिव, क्योंकि हर एक पर्सन की डिफरेंट जर्नी होती है. तो आई फील यू विल गेट अ लिटिल बेटर आइडिया एंड देन we will also talk about a person we look up to, a guru or a model we look up to in stock market, who's an investor or trader preferably.
Yeah.
So yeah.
शुरू करें?
Yeah.
Chalo. So dad, tell us about your journey.
Yeah, basically what happened, I did my BCom honors from Shri Ram College. Then I became a chartered accountant in 1989. Then I had a passion for stock markets. I started investing. And I only realized whatever I learned in chartered accountancy or in Shri Ram College, it helped me in no way in investing. It just complicated my decision making process. Okay, fine. CA helped me to understand balance sheets, but understanding balance sheets in very great details is absolutely a negative thing.
You're saying complicate. How did it complicate?
No, it does complicate because investment decisions are very simple. Investing is so simple, so easy. You need basic education. The moment you start analyzing things, it doesn't work in favor of good investing. So that is why I told both of you guys to keep your education simple. It sounded crazy that time. All my brothers, relatives and all went after me saying that what are you doing?
I remember, yeah.
Even I was scared, yeah. But because you both had the passion for stock markets, so I took the risk of avoiding your post-graduation and things like that. Although Aditya is a chartered financial analyst and you are an MBA, but we did all this while following the stock market education. And that's how I really believe that basic education is just necessary for becoming a super rich, successful investor. And that's how you guys, I got you here into it, took the big risk, and I'm satisfied and happy.
Alright, makes sense. So dad, एक question है. So dad of course had went to Shri Ram College and CA. So of course at any point of time हमें भी लगता है कि it is a very very big thing. तो मेरे को एक चीज़ बताओ कि आई वांट टू नो कि जैसे आप सीए थे तो शुरू पर यू मस्ट बी हैविंग दैट अमेजिंग कॉन्फिडेंस कि आई डू एवरीथिंग. तो टेल अस मोर अबाउट इट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट
when I became a CA, I thought I've got everything. Yeah. I'll do everything because CA is the big degree. It's the biggest degree in the field of finance. One of the biggest degrees like CFA, MBA, or this thing. But when I went down to investing, the way prices moved, how did CA help me understanding the price movements? How do I value a company? Okay, fundamentally I can value it, but that doesn't work in the market, you know.
Correct.
There are so many things that sentiment works there, the perception of the people works there, how the history has repeated itself, the patterns and technicals, everything works together. So this is a different set of knowledge for which you need a specific kind of education. So it's all about skill development. It's not about doing big degrees. It's all about developing your investment and trading skills because it is a method.
अब डैडी होगा जैसे आई थिंक ये सबको होता है दैट फाइनेंस इज वेरी बिग फील्ड
Yeah.
तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं आई डोंट थिंक कि हम सीएस को डिमीन करना चाह रहे हैं
No. I'm a CA myself. I'm not saying that. But for investing, maybe it's not the right thing.
या मतलब कि बेसिकली फाइनेंस इतना बड़ा है कि a CA can be inclined toward markets but उसके करिकुलम में नहीं है about to how to trade or invest in stock market.
Being a MBBS or a MD in medicine or a chartered accountant is as good for investing as either of them.
That was interesting.
Yeah, I'm telling.
I like that. It's interesting. So meme बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, this is nice. तो ठीक है, अब डैड बहुत लोग हैं जैसे जैसे मैं बताया कि वी हैड द अनफेयर एडवांटेज ऑफ यू बीइंग क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली सोसाइटी से तो डंडे पड़े थे बट व्हेन यू वर देयर तो सपोर्ट था कि चलो यार डैड तो माने हुए तो देखते हैं क्या होगा आगे. सो व्हाट वुड यू एडवाइस टू दोज पीपल या पेरेंट्स जो अब या तो दोनों टाइप के होते हैं जो अपने बच्चों जो बच्चे कन्विंस करना चाह रहे हैं पेरेंट्स को कि डैड हमें इन्वेस्ट करने दो एंड दे लाइक कि नहीं यहाँ नहीं करोगे वो नहीं करोगे. व्हाट वुड यू एडवाइस टू देम? आपको क्या लगता है?
See, my logic for getting you guys here would be the same for all other children also. Now, you know, India is a growing economy. Now, I'm asking both of you, with what percentage surety you think India will do better and better over the next few decades?
I feel there's 100% sure that India will do better.
India will do
Probably,
better.
yeah.
So, if India does better, India is doing better based on certain number of huge companies which control the market share and the international trade. Is that true, right? So those companies are listed on the stock market. And if those companies are giving us a return of 20 to 25% annually, compoundedly, right? That history has shown to us. L&T le lo, ABB le lo, Reliance le lo. These companies have grown from where to where. So therefore, the owners or the promoters of these companies are professional. They're doing a good job. Why can't I give my money to them if they're working well? They've proved it.
Correct.
That they're doing well. So instead of putting my money in a savings account or a fixed deposit or trying to do some business which gives me a return of 20-22% again, I leave it to them instead of and become a promoter of promoters and track the best company and the best promoter and put my money into them. So my business should be to track these investors how good they are. I mean, track these companies how good they are and let them work for you while you sleep in peace. Yeah? So it is so easy, so simple. Your money is not at stake.
But dad, the thing is that अगर ये I think आप में से कोई अपने डैड को अगर ऐसा बताओगे डैड तो उनको तो
No,
I don't think it will work for them.
No, it will not work for them because historically, most of the approximately 100% of the Indians are not in stock market because stock markets were a big gamble. Now we have a very transparent systems. We have NSE, which we can see the rate. Earlier on, the broker used to give us the rate. 100 rupees का rate है, क्या पता 110 रुपए में बोल दे रहे. We have to agree to him. Now we see it on our phone. So what prices we buy at, what prices we sell, कितना पैसा हमारे बैंक में गया, कितना पैसा, it's all transparent. And information about companies is so transparent. Just open a website like maybe Screener.in or Money Control, find out everything. Yeah, it's not easy. It's a mindset. It's a mental block. The best business in the world and the biggest people in the world are out of stock markets only. Yeah.
ठीक है, तो I think what
Even I'll tell you what Steve Jobs, Apple is what? Apple is making phones. Is the wealth of the promoters of Apple coming from the income of Apple or from the appreciation of its stock in the stock markets? I'm asking you that.
income of Apple.
That's what it is. So this is the easiest thing, simple thing, but 90% of the people get ruined in stock markets. Why? They don't follow a system. There is a system for investment. There is a system for trading. If you don't follow a system, you have to come to an end of it, and for that system, you must educate yourself first. So your first investment should be in education, and then start investing, and that's what I told you, and I'm telling everybody.
So लोग पूछ रहे थे कि वो स्टॉक मार्केट कहाँ से आती है. You have your answer. ठीक है. और दूसरा okay, just to conclude, I think थोड़ा we got a little ahead of ourselves. कि सबसे पहले तो to tell your parents, अगर आपको अपने parents convince करना है, तो first you have to again उनको लॉन्ग टर्म पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देखोगे, जो डैड ने बोला कि इंडिया का लॉन्ग टर्म फ्यूचर. सेकंड ये है इज द फैक्ट कि यू नीड टू टेल योर पेरेंट्स कि स्टॉक मार्केट बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंट, बिकॉज यू राइट, जो आपके टाइम 90s 80s में ब्रोकर इतना द प्राइसेस ऑन ट्रांसपेरेंट, ब्रोकर कैन कोट यू एनी प्राइस. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट हैपेंड, बट ये पॉसिबिलिटी था, मतलब बिल्कुल भी ट्रांसपेरेंट.
It used to happen.
It used to happen.
Of course.
अच्छा आई डोंट नो दिस, ये तो मुझे पता नहीं।
तो डैड कोई वैसे एनी स्पेसिफिक इंसिडेंट यू वांट टू शेयर, जैसे जो आपके साथ हुआ था कभी, जैसे कि सबको थोड़ा और आइडिया पड़ेगा.
For example, I'm taking a simple example. In Harshad Mehta's bull run, I bought a company. I bought a company and I bought 3,000 shares of that. The price of the company was around 15 rupees. Now earlier on, you guys have not seen physical shares. You guys see shares coming in your demat, going out of your demat.
Correct.
But that time in 92, I used to get those shares in physical form. Share certificate. That's called share certificate. Now those shares were delivered to me after 3 months by my broker.
3 महीने के बाद?
Now, just imagine the price I bought at, and what could be the price after 3 months?
हाँ, it can be.
And it was a Harshad Mehta scam. I bought it in the peak. I mean, just bought it. Everybody makes those mistakes. I bought it at the peak and I sold it at the bottom because after 3 months the price is altogether different. But today, you will get the shares on a T+2 system. आज खरीदा 2 दिन के बाद में डीमैट में. तो everything is transparent यार. पहले तो you had to be a genius from 360-degree angles what may happen to you. Now you can buy it, you can do a trade, invest, and actually sleep in peace. Things are transparent. There is SEBI, there is RBI, there is the Ministry of Finance, there are FIIs watching us, and there are so many medias watching us. If something goes up, it comes up. It's transparent. Let's not compare the two times. Let's not compare those two times.
Actually you're right, क्योंकि जो मैंने टाइम देखा डैड साथ 2010 में, फिर 2011 में, फिर जब तेरा स्कूल खत्म हो गया था, दैट उस समय तो ब्रोकर्स हुआ था, उसमें तो कॉलर्स के साथ था, बट स्टिल थिंग्स वर मच मोर ट्रांसपेरेंट जो आप बोल रहे हो. मतलब उस समय में ओडिन यूज करते थे, ओडिन याद है?
हाँ, ओडिन. सो बाय द वे, अगर किसी को ओडिन नहीं पता तो जैसे अभी आजकल हमें पता है प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे जीरो था, एंजल ब्रोकिंग था, अब स्टॉक्स, तो पहले ओडिन होता था, वो एनएससी का था, थोड़ा सा इट वाज सुपर ओल्ड, नॉट एट ऑल फ्रेंडली, बट
मुझे तो ओडिन में बड़ा अभी भी आई फील आई मिस ओडिन.
हाँ, मतलब वो उस पर था, इट्स एक फील आती है उस पर जो होता है. बट हाँ, आई थिंक काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है कि पहले तो अगर एज ए इन्वेस्टर और ट्रेडर कंप्लाइंस, मतलब एज इन की इन्वेस्टिंग का प्रोसेस ही इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो रहा था और इतना वहीं पे रिस्क था, मतलब नॉट बाइंग शेयर, वो तो अलग रिस्क है, इन्वेस्टिंग के प्रोसेस में भी रिस्क था. तो या आई फील कि थिंग्स आर मच मोर सिंपलर.
Yeah, the risk in the process of investing is absolutely out.
वो तो खत्म हो गया. चल अच्छा, दैट आई आल्सो वन अदर थिंग. देखिए अब ये तो जब हमें फाइट करके होती है, अब जैसे बहुत बार यू आर स्टिल गोइंग विद अ ब्रोकर हु इज मोर एक्सपेंसिव, ठीक है, जबकि इफ यू सी डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर, पहले मैं मानता हूँ पहले डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर की रेपुटेशन क्या थी, जो मतलब एटलीस्ट जब तक मैं था 2015 तक कि यार आया 6 महीने में बंद होगा, सबको पता था कि डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर बंद होगा 6 महीने में. बट आई थिंक आफ्टर जीरो था पूरी सिचुएशन, आई थिंक क्या जो फैक्ट्री चेंज हो चुकी है, तो फिर why don't you specifically shift to a discount broker? आप अभी भी अपने we are not going to take any names, brokers की broker नाम नहीं लेना मैं, ठीक है, तो why are you still with your old broker and not
You see,
the new broker?
you see, the new technology comes in. One can't keep pace with the technology so closely, you know. I have been brought up with a certain history which I've seen and all. So I prefer a stockbroker, which is what do you call them? Discount brokers. Other than discount brokers, what
Service
else?
brokers.
The service
Service
brokers.
brokers.
Because I need to talk to somebody in my brokerage. I need to talk to somebody on and off कि भैया मेरे डीमैट में क्या चल रहा है.
तो गाइस व्हेन टॉक टू समवन, बेसिकली पहले जो होता 2010 में जब मैं था, एक डीलर से मिल जाता था आपको, और वो डीलर आपसे बात करेगा, अच्छा सर आपके अकाउंट में इतना है, इतना नहीं है, और जब शेयर्स खरीदने पे तो डीलर को आप फोन कर सकते हो. तो जो अब नहीं होता, पहले दैट वाज.
So there is an interaction. So I feel comfortable that I have a person sitting in the brokerage. And so he calls me up for need be, and I'm not, I mean, you guys are a different generation now. For you, maybe after 15-20 years, discount brokers may be history again. Something else may come up. So that's a comfort factor, nothing else. All brokers are good, I would say that.
हाँ, all brokers cover the service.
All brokers
Till the point कि यार आप अपना डीमैट स्टेटमेंट अच्छे से चेक कर रहे हो. कि अगर वो नहीं कर रहे हो तो it's your fault, it's not the broker's fault. ये तो
क्योंकि the main thing is brokerage, so it's a very small amount. The main thing
But
is
DMAT,
right stock.
Aditya, the DMAT account is safe. There is nothing. Nobody's going to take out shares from there.
Correct.
But just for your own, having a grip over your investments. Like I have always talked to you guys. If I ask you what do you have in life right now, investment, you should be able to pick on your tips. This I have this real estate. This is equal to the current market price is this. So for that purpose, you must have a control over your DMAT. Nothing else.
और वैसे भी यार आई थिंक होना चाहिए बाबा कि आई थिंक जो योर डीमैट ब्रोकर का डीमैट अकाउंट और सीडीएसई की जो ऑफिस से बात है, यू शुड चेक कि आपकी होल्डिंग एग्जैक्ट सेम टू सेम है कि नहीं. चांसेस ऑफ इट बीइंग चेंज मतलब डिफरेंट वेरी वेरी बट स्टिल में हम तो कर रहे हैं, तो वो सब बढ़िया फैक्टर है. आई डोंट नो, ठीक है. ओके, सो इसके बाद आई थिंक क्या क्वेश्चन था, सॉरी तेबस.
Alright, so next question कौन सा है? Let's take the next question as 3 mistakes. So we'll start with Dad, then Harsh, then me, and we'll share one mistake we did, or let's say one thing we would change if we could go back. So Dad.
You see, I'll start this way. Like in 92, the bull run was, let's call it a Harshad Mehta bull run or Harshad Mehta bus, whatever. Then came 2000. It was the IT boom or IT bus where Ketan Parekh was
Ketan Parekh,
the kingpin behind it. And then came 2008 where the real estate crash happened. I've seen all these three. I can tell you what mistakes people have made in all three. Mistakes are, the mistake that everybody makes is just one, according to me. That one mistake is, as the market continues to go up, we use the emotions of greed. We buy shares out of fear of missing the bus, right? And when the market comes down, we again sell out of fear of losing more money. Logic goes out of the window when markets are going up. All those people who lost money, the only mistake they made is they did not use logic. They used emotions. So for that, if you have a system, you are going to be a multi-rich guy. If you don't have a system, might as well not invest 1 rupee. And before you invest your first rupee, invest as much in your skilling and education. And it's not about one time. It's a continuous process. I'm also learning here. I read so many books. You see me reading books at the age of 57. I'm learning. I'm making notes every day. So it's a continuous process. It has to be whatever earnings you are having in terms of salary, some part of it should be reinvested in education, so that you develop a system of your own. You follow the system. Unless you believe in your system, unless you make your own system, you won't believe in it.
Yeah.
And once you believe in it, you are there on top. That's it. That's the only mistake.
You know what this is reminding me? Our dinner table conversations की यही होती है हमारे घर में बातें. Generally आपको बता रहा हूँ जो दिख रहा है ये हमारे घर में I think this is normal talk.
Exactly.
This is normal talk about stock market, and I think that I completely agree with you. I think वही है. I think जो इसको मैं summarize करूँगा that people fail, systems don't.
Exactly.
You don't have a system तब तक the chance of failure बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो always go with the system. अच्छा तो
अब your mistake.
यार
Yeah, Harsh, I want to know what do you think about mistakes people make?
अरे बहुत सारी हैं, but अगर मैं अपने आप को एडवाइस करूँगा 11 years ago when I entered markets, I would say that try and be less arrogant. तो मेरे टाइम तो ये बहुत था, because अब you had been telling us about stock markets since 10-12 years of age, तो मुझे तो पहले आइडिया था. तो of course जब मैं 2010 में compared to any other 18-year-old, मैं तो I was like a genius for them. Like in stock market, उस समय I don't think anyone cared about markets. अब तो काफ़ी है. बट तो मेरे में था कि यार मैं तो जानता हूँ ये कर दूंगा, मुझे आता है ये कर दूंगा. एंड आई थिंक बिलो 25 एक एरोगेंस होता है अंदर. आई आल्सो हैड दैट एरोगेंस. सो आई फील मैंने उस एरोगेंस चक्कर में बहुत गलत डिसीजन लिए. 2-3 पेनी स्टॉक में जो इन्वेस्ट किए थे, विच आपने मेरा वो बाद में कटवा दिया था, दैट आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं ये चलेगा, विच वाज अ कंप्लीट बैड कॉल. एंड अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ उसका कोई लॉजिकल रीजन था नहीं, मैं बस अपनी ईगो और एरोगेंस में आया था. सो आई वुड से वन थिंग दैट आई वुड एडवाइज माई सेल्फ कि यार स्टॉक मार्केट्स में ईगो और एरोगेंस बाहर क्या हो, यहाँ पे फेविकॉल से चिपक के ही आना है तुम्हें. एंड हाँ, सो स्टे एज ग्राउंडेड एज पॉसिबल. तो दिस आई वुड एडवाइज माई सेल्फ 11 years ago. तो बताओ व्हाट वाज योर टेक? देखो मार्केट्स में यू कमिटेड 10 years.
Almost 10 years right now. So
और 10 years since जब तक हमारा डीमैट अकाउंट प्रॉपर्ली खुला है, मतलब उससे पहले तो मार्केट में भी होता है.
right.
उस तरह. हाँ.
So according to me, मेरी तो सिर्फ आई फील की एक थी कि first 2 years तो सिर्फ and सिर्फ I was focused on trading, not at all investing. So I still feel कि right now, and ये चीज़ ऐसी है कि maybe शुरू पे every person thinks कि trading is better, क्योंकि trading में एकदम से you see the money. जैसे एक ट्रेड किया 10% का प्रॉफिट हो गया 1 महीने में, या फिर जो भी 1-1.5% का प्रॉफिट हो गया 2-3 दिन में, whatever. बट इन्वेस्टिंग में वो पैसा काफ़ी टाइम बाद दिखता है. एंड ये चीज़ इट्स लाइक अ प्रोसेस जो आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिंग ही तुम्हें समझ में आता है, कुछ साल स्पेंड करके समझ में आता है कि यार इन्वेस्टिंग हैज़ टू बी गिवन मोर अटेंशन एज कम्पेयर टू ट्रेडिंग. सो आई फील इफ आई कुड चेंज समथिंग तो मे बी यही होता.
आई डोंट थिंक मोर, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है, यू कैन एग्री और डिसएग्री, आई फील ये एक एज होती है, बिकॉज जब आप ट्रेड करो तो उस समय तो इन्वेस्टिंग का ऑब्वियसली यू आर यंग इन स्टॉक मार्केट, योर एज डजंट मैटर, मतलब यू आर यंग इन स्टॉक मार्केट. सो होता है कि यार ट्रेड करो, एंड आई गेट इट, मैंने भी ट्रेड किया, तुमने भी ट्रेड किया, आई थिंक दैट यू आल्सो एंटर्ड विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ ट्रेडिंग ओनली, ठीक है. बट जब मार्केट में 5-6 साल बीत जाते ना, एंड देन व्हेन यू थिंक यार मैं 5 साल पहले इन्वेस्ट करता और आज कितना होता, तो दैट इज व्हेन वन रियलाइजेस कि यार इन्वेस्टिंग की.
तो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अ प्रोसेस.
And what you're saying now, and what you're saying, you realize till date, every day I realize, yes, because if you're learning, all the past days are like you've done some mistakes. So I also feel the most important thing to have implemented earlier is this. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'll say the same thing.
Yeah.
And this is called growth. That means you're learning. When you learn, you realize your past mistakes. So there's no age for it. It's not about 20s. You will continue to improve your system, but you must read, you must focus on the market. You must focus. And without that, you're not a complete investor. You must know the technicals well, you must know the fundamentals well, must know how the market cycles work. There's so many things. You don't learn it in one day, but the process starts today. For a doctor, you become a doctor, you need 15 years.
Very true.
Yeah, that's what it is. Right.
So Dad, tell me one thing, who is that one person who you have learned from the most?
I think number one is Howard Marks. He's an author also. He's an investor also. What I have learned from it is, which I also believe in it, I believe in a top-down approach. If the macroeconomic indicators are good, then everything will fall well underneath it.
Correct.
If the macroeconomics is doing well, the companies will also do well. So therefore, understand the macroeconomic indicators. Then you select the industry, which is going to do well. Then in that industry, you pick up the 6, 7, 8, 10, the top stocks of that sector. Plus, you can invest in so many other sectors like FMCG, auto and all that. So what I've learned from him is, how market cycles play out. In investing or trading, you can never be sure, you can never predict tomorrow or even 1 year later.
True.
But we can prepare for a good or a bad time. To prepare is better than to predict. ठीक है ना? So market cycles is what he taught me is that with the help of market cycles, it's all about a pattern. Market cycle is based on our investor psychology, 100%. That I think we have discussed enough. So these patterns called the market cycle keep repeating over 6 to 10 years. So we must understand where do we stand on the market cycle, which means from optimism of people to pure pessimism of people. It's a cycle which goes up and comes down. So where do we stand in that? With that, we'll come to know, are the odds in our favor, are the odds in favor of investing, or are the odds in favor of staying out of the markets? Fine. So this way, you play a very safe bet. So in this way, what market cycle tell us? Find out whether the odds are in favor or against investing, and then play out the entire market cycle as per the indicators.
Okay.
In short, we can talk about it for 6 hours, but this is what the answer is right now. This is what I have learned from Howard Marks, and he's my best guru.
ठीक है. तो एक तो आइडिया से पहले ना यार वो हमने समराइज ही किया है 3 मिस्टेक्स और समराइज कर लेते हैं. तो जो 3 मिस्टेक्स का क्वेश्चन था, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट मिस्टेक वाज इफ यू डोंट हैव अ सिस्टम, ठीक है, नो पॉइंट. एंड फॉर मी कि यू शुड लर्न दैट डोंट बी एरोगेंट इन मार्केट, सो वो हमेशा ध्यान रखो. एंड व्हाट वाज योर मिस्टेक?
कि फोकस ऑन इन्वेस्टिंग टू, नॉट जस्ट ट्रेडिंग.
या अब आते हैं उस पे कहते हैं इंस्पिरेशंस दैट हावर्ड मार्क्स व्हिच यू मेंशन बिकॉज़ ऑफ मार्केट साइकिल एंड हाउ द हावर्ड मार्क्स हैज showed the most important thing भी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक है, वैसे you should read it. What is your who is the person you look up to in stock markets and why? मतलब I know there are many but tell me one.
Right. So एक जो मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, and actually I read his book and his name is Martin J. Pring. So उनकी बुक का नाम है The Investment. Martin J. Pring.
Yeah.
It is psychology of trading investing.
So yeah, so there was a book and I mean when you're reading the book ऐसा लग रहा था कि actually this is the same journey which you've actually gone through. So this was something जो था, and I really connected to the book and of course the author. So I feel कि वो book was enough to actually make me believe in him quite a lot. So yeah, I think I really respect him as my guru.
हाँ यार Martin J. Pring तो मतलब he is fantastic. For me, what I would really again बहुत difficult है to choose just one, I feel. Because everyone is different and you pick different things from different people. अगर मुझे एक चूज यार पता नहीं, I would choose शंकर शर्मा सर. मतलब अभी मेरा रिसेंटली जो पॉडकास्ट हुआ है, बाय द वे वो पॉडकास्ट आएगा अगले हफ्ते, ठीक है, you will love it. ठीक है, शंकर शर्मा मतलब the CNBC में we have been seeing him for ages.
I've been seeing him for 3 decades here.
Yeah, मतलब I remember मैं 2005 से मुझे याद ही है वो CNBC में वो इंटरव्यू आते थे. And when I actually got the opportunity to talk to him ना, वो इतने clear हैं, to the point हैं. And he is so assertive on his point. जैसे उनका एक point था that कि सबसे पहली चीज़ उन्होंने 2 बार he actually shared the story, so you will enjoy the podcast, कि how he touched almost bankruptcy जब दो बार उन्होंने market short किया, which was in early 2000 during the Ketan Palik time, उसके बाद in 2009, and how he recovered from that. And he was talking कि how you know emotions of stock market को कैसे अलग करना है, and पता नहीं I तो just mesmerized with him अभी तक उससे बात करके, तो I would say again there are many, but Shankar Sharma sir for me right now would come at the
No, I agree.
right of Shankar
I
Sharma
agree
sir
with
is
He's a master.
Yeah.
He has knowledge and he practices it in business. So this is one, being a simple author without doing investing is not really that good.
Dad, आप इतने याद है, you remember, I don't know if you remember, आप आज तक में आपको थोड़ा stint था, was that with Shankar Sharma sir?
No, it was not with Shankar Sharma. It was with there were other people from India Bulls and other people like that and all. So
But
that's what it is.
I feel कि शंकर शर्मा सर के जो इंटरव्यू काफी बैड ऐसे होते हैं.
Oh हाँ,
तो
no,
मतलब
he is
हाँ,
badass,
तो
really
that
badass.
is a thing.
Like I think as a person जो मुझे बात नहीं करेगा, he's a very good person to talk to, तो इसलिए मैं तो काफी उनका
No, he's very frank and outspoken.
Yeah.
He talks from the heart. He doesn't make up stories for the sake of the media or for interviews. No.
I don't think he's diplomatic तो है ही नहीं. I don't think diplomatic
But he's too big to be diplomatic. He can say what he wants to say from his heart.
That's true.
I think हाँ ये काफी deep point है I think. Diplomacy is for people जो शायद who are not at that level.
At that level, he doesn't need diplomacy. He needs to say what his heart says. You know.
So yeah, for me it's Shankar Sharma clearly. अच्छा, so that was it for today. आज इतना रहता है क्योंकि I think काफी लंबी खिंच गई वीडियो.
हाँ.
So if you want more videos like this नीचे कमेंट में भी बताओ. And again all of us were discussing कि हम एक वीडियो पे जाते हैं जहाँ पे डैड से भी टॉक अबाउट हर्षद मेहता का टाइम क्या था क्या नहीं था, एंड वी एक पूरा क्वेश्चन रन कर सकते हैं, एक पोल रन कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे यू कैन सबमिट अ क्वेश्चन एंड वी विल आस्क इट. एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मेट एंड इफ यू वांट दैट मोर ऑन द वीडियोस, तो आपको नीचे कमेंट क्या करना है, डैड वीडियोस, ठीक है, डैड वीडियोस नीचे कमेंट करें सो दैट वी नो दैट यू लाइक सच काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस. एंड आई थिंक टारगेट क्या था यार, अब अगर अगली वीडियो निकालनी है डैड वीडियो तो एक टारगेट तो बनता है. What
ठीक है,
target should we have?
तो टॉपिक क्या है, स्कैम 1992 जो दिखाया था, वील आस्क दैट कि ये इन रियलिटी व्हाट ऑल हैपेंड.
Yeah.
तो दिस इज अ बिग थिंग. तो
Yeah,
आई थिंक वी शुड हैव अ बिग टारगेट फॉर
काफी
दैट.
excited हूँ for that.
तो वी शुड हैव अ बिग टारगेट. कितना टारगेट रखना?
Yeah, 700 likes है.
700 is good. I think that's very moderate. I think we can.
और इतना
easily do
डिफिकल्ट
that.
टारगेट नहीं है, ये डिफिकल्ट बिल्कुल नहीं है. 700 लाइक तो काफी इजी है, ठीक है. सो लेट्स गिव इट 700 लाइक्स. 700 लाइक्स आएगी तो वी विल मेक अनदर वीडियो विद डैड ऑन स्कैम 992 एंड वी रन अ क्वेश्चन जहां पे अपने क्वेश्चन पूछ पाओ. एंड आल्सो फॉर द फैक्ट कि नीचे इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो तो नीचे डैड वीडियो लिख देना सो दैट वी नो वी वांट डैड नो वीडियोस. तो डैड एनी फाइनल वर्ड्स you want to say?
No, I've enjoyed the discussion, and I hope the viewers enjoyed it too. And let's see.
Enjoy
more and more
करेंगे
videos.
वो तो don't worry, I think viewers are quite honest in the comment box. तो honest opinion, ठीक है. चलो guys, that is it for today. This is Gola School of Finance, financially
Empowering you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.